Thorstein Veblen once said, "Invention is the mother of necessity." That quote still holds true today, as it did when Walter Boyd invented HVLS fan technology. And that's exactly how we got to our next company. Meet MacroAir Technologies, the worldwide leaders in reinventing air movement technology. As a mechanical engineer, Walter Boyd is known as a modern-day Ben Franklin. And with a history of racing both midgets and stock cars, Walter Boyd became feverishly intrigued by making things lighter, stronger, and more efficient.
It's just sort of my nature to invent things. If I run into a problem, my first impulse is to invent something.
And that's exactly what Walter Boyd did when challenged to create an efficient system to cool dairy cattle in 1998.
The problem with dairy cattle in hot weather is really kind of what got us started in this big fan project in the beginning. Cows, they don't make milk when it gets hot. They don't want to work when it gets hot. There's a little breeze somewhere, like up on a knoll or something. They'll find it and they'll congregate there. The key to efficiency in moving air is to not move it any faster than you have to. The idea is very low speed air. If you double the speed of the fan, it takes 8 times as much power. So the idea of a big, slow fan, good idea. We wanted to make an airfoil blade. We had, in the past, a number of products that had used aluminum extrusion, so that was something that popped into our heads pretty quickly. The aluminum has strength and the hollow shape is strong. And it's a very simple way to get it light and strong. And that has turned out to work very, very well.
From there, MacroAir Technologies began working on perfecting blades and becoming adaptable to a wide range of industries, such as warehouse distribution, manufacturing, school gymnasiums, and churches.
Perfecting our blade technology with the extruded blade and our airfoil shapes has enabled us to refine our product from the original design to reduce the number of blades down to 6, which is 40% less. And we've been able to increase production as far as air movement and reduce costs and refine the fan to a much more efficient product with the use of a new airfoil shape.
Constantly reinventing themselves and their products, MacroAir Technologies has always been a built-for-life company.
We're inventors at heart. You know, we're not marketers, we're inventors. And it's just almost impossible for us to walk around here and not look at ways to improve things. So on 2 fronts, we're built for life. We're built for quality of life and the life of the fan. We didn't start out trying to be a green company. We started out trying to solve a problem of improving human comfort and comfort for animals. The fact that it's an efficient way also is a plus, so we are a green product for that reason. Reducing the number of blades and the amount of raw materials that we use to manufacture gives us an additional green aspect because aluminum costs energy, it takes energy to manufacture aluminum. We have to continue being green, and solar is the way to go. Solar is coming up. Solar panels are becoming more and more efficient to purchase. And with our fans, because they do so much with so little energy, a customer can purchase very few panels and actually get some work done for it.
MacroAir Technologies constantly strives for perfection, both for their customers and themselves. And their undying will and dedication makes them the world's greatest.